Welcome to another B.M.P video. Today we are doing an number 2 of the review slash restoration video or like series. Today we have this is the box. I still have it. It's actually in really good condition still, even though it's open. It's not sealed, obviously. But I had the instructions and I restored the set that me and my brother both have. So I had extra pieces, so I could probably rebuild his as well if I wanted to. But this set's from 2018. This is now this has been retired for some time now. I can't really get it anymore. And I have right here. I rebuilt it from scratch. So just had to find all the pieces that were in the box and from other places, and also what I had left over. This Steve is from a different set, but I'm using him for this video. The baby zombie is from my brother's set, and whatever he had, and this one, the zombie's mine, and that bat's also mine in the background. So, yeah, that bat right there. This is a pretty small set, but it has a lot of details and play functions in this, and it's really packed. So we got first of all, the minifigs that we'll be doing, and then I'll be reviewing it set by itself, and then give a rating out of 10 at the very end. Alright, so first minifig here, well, technically not a minifig, but it's the bat. It's kind of dusty. I will use a duster or whatever to clean the bat so it's not all dusty. It's in its wings form where it's like sleeping in the cave, because it goes to a part on the top of there. Can't really see it, but yeah, it's usually upside down and it's like sleeping or something. And then you can pull these out, and then there's wings. So yeah, there's the one. And then we have the next one. We have a baby zombie. This isn't really, it doesn't have like much. It's kind of just like a smaller version. It looks really weird though, because it has no green hands. And yeah, that's the baby zombie. And over here we have a regular zombie. There isn't really anything unique about it. It's just a plain old zombie. You can get it from almost any Minecraft set. Then here's Steve with an iron helmet and a stone pickaxe or an iron pickaxe. They both look the exact same, so I don't know. And also, he has a cookie. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the minifigs. Alright. Now for the functions. Up here, if you go to the back, there's a lever you can pull, and the gravel above falls right through it. You just gotta move it. Okay. And then it falls down here into the lava and stuff, and then you can reset it and place the blocks back up here. And the second feature or like play function that they have is this TNT thing right here. So if you mine doesn't really work that well, so I have to kind of take it off of the little jumper plate that's on, because it's pretty strong. Lego's pretty strong, so it's really hard to push it out. When you push this lever in, it goes flying right off. Hold up, let me try that again. It'll go flying right off. Yeah, it's pretty much that's all the play features that it has. And there's some cool little things they have. So if you take this block and this other block, there's a diamond ore hiding inside it, right next to the lava pit. There's also other ores that are around here. You have coal, gold, and if you look in the front, that's redstone. He also has a furnace. It's double printed, so you got another brick. No, well, it makes 2 bricks. They're both printed. You got a torch that's on the wall. Got a little fence for some reason. I don't really understand the little fence. And yeah, and that's pretty much it for this set. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this set. This is a pretty small one. I don't know how much it originally retailed for, but it probably went up in value since this is like a set from a couple of years back, 2018. Still have the box and everything, but it's not sealed, so it probably is low in value just because this set is not sealed. Because usually boxes that are like in this type of good shape, if it wasn't opened, would probably go for a pretty good money back, probably for now. And yeah, that's pretty much a set. There isn't really much. There is a lot packed into it. I didn't really like this set when I first got it. It's not really still my favorite. But if I'm really honest, I'm gonna have to give this set a 7 out of 10, just because it is a pretty small build. It has good features, but it's pretty much everything you usually get. There's always something to do with caves, usually in like each wave that comes out of these guys each year. It's I wish we kind of had like something different, because we usually always have zombies. And I know the zombie baby is pretty good in the bat, but I'd rather like have a skeleton or something else, because we usually get a lot of zombies in these sets. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. There's gonna be more B.M.P playlists coming out, and yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Yeah, thank you for watching this. Bye.